For this video, we have a circle equation. It says a circle in the xy plane has the equation x plus 3 squared plus y minus 1 squared, and it's equal to 25, which line points does not lie in the interior of the circle. Okay, so the fastest way to solve one is first to have a good grasp on the circle equation. So the equation is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to radius squared. This tells me this is the center coordinate, which is -3. This is the y center coordinate, which is +1. That's my h and k. And I also know the radius, so 25 is equal to radius squared, so I know that 5 is equal to the radius. Okay, so if the point does not lie in the interior of the circle, that means that it will go beyond the radius of the circle. So it's going to a point that will be greater than 25, basically. So for example, let's look if I plug in -7 plus 3 squared plus 3 minus 1 squared is equal to 25. What does that give me? This will give me, so -4 squared, 16, 3 minus 1 squared, 2 squared, 4 is equal to 25. So we have 16 plus 4, 25. So 20 equals 25. This works because that could fall inside the circle. So it falls in the interior of the circle. So if it's less than or equal to 25, those points could work. So that's what I can do, but I can quickly see which ones can work, just looking at this. So this would be 0 squared, 1 squared, like that's definitely going to be less than 25. So it can't be B. Same here, this would be 3 squared, so 9, 10. 10 is also less than 25. I can see this is where it expands out because it's going to be 3 plus 3 squared. That's already larger than 25, which means it'll be out of bounds of the radius. But let me just show everything. So this would be 2 minus 1 squared equals 25. So, oops, 6 squared, 36, plus 1 squared. Is that less than or equal to 25? No, it's not. 37, it's not. It's way out of bounds of the circle, and therefore it will not fall inside the circle, and that's our answer. And just to get visual to this, you can, of course, use the Desmos calculator. I've already plotted it here. But we can see that those points that I've previously mentioned, like 0, 0, it's inside the circle. Right? I can see all the other points too mentioned, all inside the circle. The one point that we just saw was 3, 2. That is not inside the circle. It's right here. Well, it's not letting me mark. But you can see the coordinates 3, 2 are outside the circle. Okay, so for those ones, really quickly, you can always use Desmos to help you graph and see it. But you saw even I'm writing everything here on the screen to show you out all the work, but I can basically do this question in under 30 seconds, just looking at the coordinates. Amazing. So hope this is useful. See you in the next video. Bye.